to another vlog. You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. What are So guys, we're gonna do a photo shoot today for Ocean's Online Boutique. We have a blowout sale. Man, clean. The lighting on this. Once the lighting good, me I tell you. Nice. So she's gonna do a blowout sale on her page. I'm gonna leave the link below. I might show you some of the pieces, but Canon camera and paintings. But my phone take really good picture, so probably gonna use it. I like it though. That's Danielle over there. You guys know Danielle. She's been on the vlog before. And stuff. So we're on the hip strip, taking the view. Margaritaville over there, so. Burger King, they're right over there, so I'm gonna show you on the reach. Burger King, the right. Listen, we're going to the park actually, and yeah, that way I don't know. So guys, please remember, watch out, batching low. I'm gonna say this guys, so please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and show the love. My battery is low, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Hi. Ready? Let's try. You ready? Outfit. If you want to see the other outfit, you have to check Ocean's Instagram. She might put some in her video on her YouTube channel as well, so you can go over there and subscribe and link her up on dating. Daniel's who start vlog.
So guys, remember to check out my YouTube channel. This is the bleepers. Remember to check out my Instagram page at Odie's Boutique JA. Right? For the good thing there, make sure to check it out, right?
Yeah, so big up on the day and clean self. I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's a very short vlog. I'm gonna get some of Ocean's clip to put in mind to have you guys see the entire
No, we are go over there so go watch the people that shake up the
Oh yeah, some people over there start dance, so you're gonna catch that. You're gonna change and catch that. On the vlog. If not, come down beside it. Ocean will probably get copyright. I have to ask if the people that can video there.
No, we change for
Ocean, me now go over there, go close, go down out there, if you can video them like that.
no, I'm going to go try to sit down.
Aye?
Then I'll go film.
So how much money you want to live up your place? So guys, we're doing some outside cooking. 8 o'clock at night. So we deal with things. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Move it. Guys, you don't want to smell what it smells. I'm still not see steam. Comment below if you not tell me if you not see steam. Ramp with coal fire. So mommy decide what kind of content what this? What kind of gravy this? Come around us up.
Escovitch fish.
Come around us now. Tell me I'm buying Valley.
This is Escovitch fish.
Yes.
And
Talk up louder. I can't hear you.
carrots.
Yes.
And onion.
Yes.
With the pepper, vinegar, and everything. When I finish, everything is going to go on the fish.
Okay. So how you do you fish them? I see you have just one layer.
Yes. So I'm going to put a layer of the carrots and onion.
Mm-hmm.
And then I lay a next row of fish.
Yes.
And then I put some more of the same.
Okay, so she's doing it row by row. So when she put over the gravy over this or sauce, She got layer next raw fish and then put over sauce again with the onion and the carrot and then put over next sauce. So we have a few trees. There's some over here, so most of them we have 2 fire. Cook on that. We have one next fire around this about. That one they kinda shut down now, so that we are dealing with. So I'm gonna show now how she lay, how she put on the sauce, the escovitch sauce, pan the fish. Yeah, good size them there. Tomorrow now when you share, if you need to add one more, you just add it. You understand, like the one here right this way kind of look like it.
The one here? So I just go put 11 fish in this and I know say that is ziggy.
Okay.
7, 8, so that 8. So
you need
we just go
3 more. So you're gonna deal with this one here?
Yeah.
You're gonna garnish it? Look really good in the mom. Guys, I told you before. But you steam out. I like the box here. Come Yo. Top chef sitting. Guys, you can tell that this tastes good. Just by the eat, and I don't want to get the fragrance. I'll come out of it. Really nice. Mommy, remember say I 18 of that, right?
So 11 for going there. So that's 8, right?
Bachelor. So guys, she add another layer and she's putting more of the sauce. Me personally love my onion and carrot. Mommy, I right spoon, me carrot coming. You see? Me love my onion and carrot for my fish. I love eating with my bread. And it's it. This here is my jerk pan. I jerk in the backyard at times. So we're going to add another layer, as I told you. Just to make sure that all our fish them get the sauce pan actually soak. So the fish that we're using is, what fish name, mommy? Mangrove snapper. I eat one early on, full of flesh. So when I go to supermarket, you can ask for the mangrove snapper. So we're adding this sauce. Oh, he's so soft. I love seeing the heat come out of it. Nice. Guys, comment below if you want to see mommy do some cooking video. Bad chef, you know. And mama. You would do it? What? You would do cooking video in the future now?
Yes, sir.
It's so dark because I'm outside. So guys, we're frying some fish and baitings. Watch me not see with a try twine of it and something. So that we are doing right now. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button and definitely show love. But just smash up on fish food up on my mouth and baitings. Guys, the fish are mangrove snapper. When I go to rainforest store, when I just ask for that, full of flesh, full of juice and baitings. Leave a comment below if you don't want to. What call you? Upper road? Leave a comment below if you don't want to see mommy do more cooking videos. She and mama are bad chef. I always talk about the food. So yeah, peace out.
African woman, African woman, she's my African woman, African woman, yo. She comes from the south, she comes from the south, somewhere down there. She's the queen of the south, yeah, yeah. Go Lord, I can't believe it, yo. My, see, she's so pretty, she's so wonderful, pretty, she's so wonderful, my, see, she's so pretty, she's so beautiful.